My freaking dog had the parrot.
Make a move, bird.
Oh my god, look! She's putting her whole mouth on it. What's she doing? Is she trying to? She trying to play with them or kill it?
She don't know.
He's like, go. Try to leave. Dang! Oh my gosh! Where did it come from? It's still alive too. Oh my god. Dude, Kasha's a killer.
Damn bird don't know where to go.
Probably can't even fly.
She likes catching it though. She wants to remove so she can catch it. It's like playing fetch with the bird. Look.
Oh. Oh. This definitely got to go on YouTube. Run, birdie, run. Run, birdie.
Damn, bird.
Dang. Oh.
Damn, bird. Now
Dang.
Now you two-stepping. Damn.
Oh, shit. Run. Run,
Damn,
birdie.
Bird.
Run, birdie.
You're in trouble, bird.
Run, birdie. Look, Kasha said, go. Run.
I hope that's not one of Popeye's chickens.
Oh, damn.
So I guess that's what Gucci Man was talking about when they flipping birds.
It's like a freaking parrot.
Is that what Gucci Man's talking about? When he's flipping birds?
No, that ain't no pigeon. It's weird as fuck. Damn, that nigga's head is fucked up. Damn, see if we get in a little bit.
From Bird Gang.
Bird Gang?
So
yeah.
It's probably one of his birds.
Oh, yeah.
Shit on you.
Oh! Oh!
You almost got away.
Oh!
Almost got away, bro.
Hey, this is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube.
Damn, boss. You almost got away.
Hey, can we put this on Funniest Animals?
You almost got away.
Almost got away.
Yeah.
Don't make it too long.
Uh-oh.
I guess he's pinned now. Shit.
Nigga can't leave the dirt. He almost got far. Look, got some feathers over there.
So actually, this is our pet dog, and that's the dog's pet dog.
You ain't going nowhere.
That's our dog Kasha, and that's
Sunny. That's the bird,
and that's Kasha's pet bird, Sunny.
Yeah.
And he ain't going nowhere.
She wants him to fly so she can catch him. Move so I can catch you. And then bring you back to the little one spot.
Hey, I guess Kasha's that bored, huh?
She put him on a handstand.
That nigga head is fucked up.
I know. Damn, look at all his feathers. Kasha, man.
Now you better clean all that for Unc get on.
Nah, that ain't my fault. He gonna watch the video and laugh. Hopefully it ain't one of the neighbors' birds or something, because I ain't seen that bird no more. Damn, Kasha? I think 4 minutes of the video is good enough. Alright, I think I'm good. Dang.